Hey, my name is Vishal and today we're gonna eat some iftar food.
I'm sorry, you really thought you'd do this without me? Move.
Who called her here? This was going to be a one-man show.
Yeah, but you needed the chant because it's Ramzan. So we have lined out a lot of restaurants and a lot of places that give typical iftar food from certain countries. So हमारा होने वाला है world tour. I am mostly excited to see what iftars around the world look like.
I'm so ready, let's go.
Our first iftar was Turkish iftar, so we went to Miniatur.
She's brought her own date.
So you usually start iftar with a date. Scientific reason is that because you've not eaten for the whole day. कुछ तो ऐसा खा लो so that like something that's packed with nutrition, has enough sugars in it. Now we can start.
The first dish we had was pide. Pide is a boat-shaped Turkish bread with delicious toppings. Next is the Adana kebab. Adana kebab, named after Turkey's spice capital, is a fiery blend of minced lamb, red pepper and sumac. Then we finally had the masala coffee with elaichi.
Didn't think spices would taste this good in a black coffee, but here we are.
The caffeine had just started to hit, so I felt the need to do a caffeine energy dance immediately.
I really love the pide. इतना मजेदार मुलायम मतलब मजा आ गया खा के. I really like that we ended with that coffee. The elaichi was so on point.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna start adding elaichi to coffees now, along with other spices. Masale wali coffee.
Our next iftar stop was Lebanon.
हम लोग रमजान के चांद के लिए चांद पे ही पहुंच गए जहाँ सब कुछ खुदा हुआ है वो. You have roasted me since the beginning. The only reason I'm sticking around is because he's
I just
feeding me
wanted
good
to
food.
make you feel unwelcome, which you felt. We are in Warsaw. We have come to Arbab. We're gonna eat Lebanese iftar.
We came to Arbab looking for Lebanese food, but I think we are gonna end up tasting bits of the other Levantine countries as well.
We are at Arbab now. I have completely switched my brain off and want to let her do all the ordering.
Yes.
First we tried tabbouleh.
काफी टैंगी. मैं हमेशा डिसाइड करती हूँ कि इस बार रमजान में हेल्दी खाऊंगी and this is a good idea for iftar. It's light and refreshing, so it passes the vibe check.
Then we had arayas, which are these crispy golden pita pockets stuffed with minced meat.
By itself, it's very bland, लेकिन this toom is delicious. तो अरायस बहाना बन गया तुम तक जाने का. I dubbed it into the chili paste क्योंकि तिखट चाहिए.
Next was Iran.
Very minty. I will start drinking छाछ for iftar from now on. Great idea. So I know generally iftar मतलब ऐसे पूरा spread आपको दिखता है टेबल पे. And I know that we are only ordering like two things everywhere we go. पर हमको पूरी दुनिया का iftar खाना है यार, तो थोड़ा strategically we are going.
We are done with Lebanon.
I was thinking it would be काफी हल्का फुल्का, but मेरा पेट I'm afraid भर चुका है a little bit. I feel like this is that point after iftar where पूरा दिन नहीं खा के then you just eat a lot because you're that hungry.
We are gonna spend a little bit of time just to like digest some stuff. We are going to the beach a little bit and then we'll go back for the final installment of the night.
We came to Zima looking for Syrian food, but I feel like we'll end up tasting bits of the neighboring countries as well again.
I am personally a huge patron of Zima. This place better not disappoint. Otherwise, मेरी नाक कट के मेरे हाथ में आ जाएगी और वही खाना पड़ेगा hummus के साथ.
Hummus is general Middle East food. We are waiting on kibbeh. So kibbeh is Syrian food and usually on a mezz platter. Kibbeh is often accompanied with hummus, so you're supposed to dip.
Of course, we started off with hummus and khubz.
Much better than my homemade hummus attempts. Now it's time for some kibbeh. Peppery, muttony और काफी खतरनाक क्योंकि you can just keep eating it. It's so good. Kibbeh is this really flavorful meat-packed bite. And on top of that is this like really creamy, tangy hummus. Game over. Your proteins, your carbs, all sorted.
Next, we had baklava.
पहली बार खाया and I swear I cried a little on the inside.
And as expected, it was rich, buttery and crispy.
Can I do nikah with this?
I'm also quite numb. It's so good.
10 out of 10.
Nobody asked. Nobody asked.
I am in this weird headspace of like santushti, neem, full stomach. I think I'm glowing because of, I think the baklava is the reason. So I think this is a good point to end day one.
We are having iftar day 2, night 2.
Evening too.
I'm really excited because today we are eating Asian iftar and we are starting off with Indonesian / Singaporean / Malaysian iftar.
Of course, we had to start off with dates.
Let the iftar begin. It's time for nasi lemak. ये संबाल सॉस टेस्ट करके थोड़ा अपने आप को संभालना पड़ा because this was the perfect balance of spice and deliciousness. मेरे घर पे दाल चावल के साथ यूजुअली पीनट्स खाते हैं, so this touch a little close to home. Does lemak mean chicken?
Can you look it up? There's a device there called phone.
Next up, it's Hainanese chicken rice.
Hainanese chicken is not a iftar specific food, but like it's a very Singaporean crowd pleaser.
It looks great, but I'm really feel like I'm out of the left field here because my iftar really does not look like this. I don't think हम iftar में rice खाते हैं, so I'm very excited to try something new. Looks पे मत जाना, दिखता bland है, लेकिन put chicken, rice and the sauces together and बना एकदम perfect early dinner.
Then for dessert, we got the iconic sendol, a refreshing dessert made of silky green rice flour jelly served in coconut milk, gola melaka and shaved ice.
How was that meal?
The entrees were really good, chicken and rice, दो अलग-अलग तरीकों में. The sauces too good. The dessert थोड़ी सी हिल गई थी मैं.
We're having Thai iftar next.
Yeah.
So let's go.
For Thai iftar, we went to Blue's Kitchen by Loima. First, we had the signature tom yum soup.
ये सूप पेट में नहीं सीधा दिल में उतरा है पहले की तरह because this is usually my dinner order. लेकिन इफ्तार में पीना I would not prefer.
Then it was time for the legendary Pad Krapao.
देखो सालन चावल कीमा और बिरयानी की आदत है तो दिस वाज थोड़ा ब्लैंड फॉर मी, लेकिन भर भर के चिली ऑयल और सॉस डालने के बाद आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. नेक्स्ट अप इज मैंगो स्टिकी राइस. इस एपिसोड के डिजर्ट्स मुझे रुलाने पे क्यों तुले हुए हैं. वार्म एंड स्टिकी राइस, रिच कोकोनट मिल्क और जूसी मैंगो. अब सीखना पड़ेगा ये इफ्तार के लिए.
Oh my god. I am so full already. But अभी हमको एक और खाना है. But I'm very excited about this because now we are going to eat
India! Let's go. We're not going to eat India. We're going to eat Indian food.
We have come to Ayaz.
I just found this place and I knew it would have like veda roti and the chicken roll. Iftari mein usually Papa gets these specific rolls जो मैंने रमजान के बाहर कहीं खाए नहीं है. तो that specific chicken roll that I know we get here is the definition of iftar for me. Let's try the chicken tawa roll. सच में ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं घर ही आ गई. क्रिस्पी चिकन रोल के अंदर अंडा और मसालेदार चिकन. बस और क्या चाहिए यार इफ्तार के लिए.
This was the first time I tried Beda roti and my life has definitely changed. Thanks to Zubia for introducing me to this, but don't tell her.
I've eaten a lot of iftars, but I think ये 2 दिन really don't compare because I got to eat iftar from around the world.
Let us know in the comment section down below which of these would you like to try, and obviously don't forget to subscribe to BuzzFeed India.